Okay, hi to everybody. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to convert a particular number system to another number system. So here, I'm going to explain you how to convert decimal number system into binary number system and also to octal as well as to hexadecimal. In this first example, I'm supposed to take 20.45 to the base of 10. We already know that for a decimal, the base is 10. For binary, it is 2. For octal, it is 8. For hexadecimal, it is 16. We already know all those things. It is a basic one. And here I'm going to convert this decimal representation into binary 1. I'm supposed to take the number that is present in front of this decimal point 20. 20, it is greater than 2, so I have to divide it by 2. And there is no reminder for this, so I have to put 0. And 10 is also greater than 2, so I have to divide it by 2. The process is going on. Here I'm supposed to divide 5 by 2. You are supposed to get 2 and the remainder is 1. And for 2 divided by 2, I'm supposed to get 1 and the remainder is 0. From this, I'm supposed to stop my division. Why? Because 1 is lesser than 2, so I have to stop here. And I have to write the number, binary number for this corresponding 20 from bottom to top. So 10100, it is the binary representation for the given number 20. In next one, I'm going to find out the binary representation for the given number 45, which is present after this decimal point. So 0.45 into 2, it is 0.90. 0.90 into 2, it is 1.80. It's going on. I doesn't bring this 1 here, so I put 0.80 into 2, it is 1.60. Again, I doesn't bring this 1, so I put 0.60 into 2. I continue this step. When I am going to stop means I am supposed to get 00 after this decimal point. I am supposed to stop, but here there is no such 00 is obtained here. So I continue the process up to n number of steps, and I am supposed to write the binary representation for the given number 0.45 is from top to bottom. Here it is from bottom to top, but here you have to write it from top to bottom, that is 0 1 1 1. So this is the binary representation for the given number 0.45. so from this you are supposed to conclude that for the binary representation for the given decimal number which is present in front of the decimal point is, you have to write it from bottom to top, whereas for this 0.5 you have to write it from top to bottom. It is another example, 10.25. 10 is greater than 2. So repeat the above steps and you have to get the answer 1010. Whereas for 0.25 it is into 2, 0.50. 0.50 into 2, it is equal to 1.00. Already told you, whenever I am supposed to get 00 after this decimal point, I have to stop my conversion step. So I have to write the answer for binary representation for the given number 0.25. It is from top to bottom. Already told you 01. So the combined answer is 1010.01 to the base 2. It is the corresponding binary representation for the given 10.25 decimal representation. Next is decimal to octal conversion. Here 10.25 is the given decimal number and you have to convert it into octal conversion. The base is 8. 10 is greater than 8, so divided by 8. In the above example, you have to divide it by 2. Why? Because means you have to convert it into binary. Here you are going to convert it into octal. You know the base of octal is 8, so you have to divide it by 8. And you have to supposed to get 1 to the remainder is 2. 1 is lesser than 8, so I have to stop up to this and write from bottom to top 1 2. 1 2 is the corresponding octal number system for the given decimal number 10. So another thing is 0.25. 0.25 into 8, you are supposed to get 2.00. I have to stop up to this because I am supposed to get the answer 00. So answer is 10.12.2 to the base 8. Okay. Next is decimal to octal conversion, hexadecimal conversion. I am supposed to draw a table here. Okay, this is the corresponding octal and the hexadecimal representation for the given decimal numbers. Up to 7 there is no problem, whereas for 8 the octal number equivalent is 10. For 9 it is 11. For 10 it is 12, whereas in hexadecimal up to 9 there is no problem, whereas from 10 it should be alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F for 15. So I have to convert 479. It's in decimal representation based on the base 10 and you have converted into hexadecimal. 479 is greater than 16, so I have to divide it by 16. 29, the remainder is 15, and 1 13. 1 13 15, it is the answer for the given decimal representation 479. Already told you 13, it is not possible for you to write 13 directly into the hexadecimal form, so you have to write D, whereas for 15 it should be F. Okay, here in this example 15 is directly given. We know the corresponding hexadecimal number for 15 is F. So next one is how to convert binary number system into other form of number system. First one is binary to decimal conversion system 1010.10. It should be 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2 and 2 power 3. I am supposed to get 10. So 10 is the decimal representation for the given number 1010. After the decimal point you have 10. So for 1, 2 power minus 1 into 2 power minus 2. 1 into 2 power minus 1, it is equal to 1 by 2. You are supposed to get 10.5 to the base 10. It is the decimal representation for the given binary number. Next one is octal. 3 binary digits, that is 3 by 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 form one octal. So you have to start from the LSB side. This is LSB side and this is most significant byte side and this is the least significant bit side. So I am starting from here. I am supposed to split the binary digit into 3, 101, 101, 100, 100 and 111 and 111. I am supposed to apply 4 to 1 rule. So 4, 1, 5, 1 and 7. So the corresponding answer is 715 for the given binary number. And next is here also I'm going to convert binary number into octal. I am supposed to split it 3, start from the LSB side 110, 011. But here this one is there is no number in front of this one. So I am supposed to add 00 in front of this one. Whenever there is no number to form 3-bit binary combination, you have to put simply 0. Simply add 0. If here 11 means, then add a 0 in front of this 11. So apply the 4 to 1 rule and get the final answer. And next one is binary to hexadecimal conversion system. 4 binary digits combined to form the hexadecimal number system. Start from the LSB side. So 010, 0001, 1001 and 4 ones. Apply 8421 rule. For octal the base is 8, so you have to apply 4 to 1 rule. For hexadecimal it is up to 16 base, so you have to apply 8421 rule. So 8, 10, 8, 9, 15. We already know that the number greater than 10 cannot be written in the same format. So the corresponding hexadecimal value for 10 is A and for 15 it is F. So F 9, 8, A to the base 16. It is the another example. Here also you have to split it into 4 binary digits. Here there is a problem occurs. 0, 1 is not in a 4-bit combination, so I have to add 0 in front of this 10. So the answer is 2518. So the corresponding hexadecimal representation for the given binary representation is 2518 to the base 16. So the PC can get the input in binary format, but it can process the data only in hexadecimal format. Okay. Whereas if you want to download a particular coding or programming to a microcontroller or a microprocessor, it can read very easily the information only in hexadecimal form. That's why you are supposed to feed the information in a high level language that should be converted into ones and zeros. That ones and zeros again converted into hexadecimal. Then only it is very easy for the processor or controller to process the following data. That's why this kind of conversion system is somewhat going on. Thank you for watching.